Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Patch Beauty Skincare. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make herbal skin lightening glow oil. This oil I'm about to make is natural, all natural herbs. I infused them all by myself, and this oil has been sitting for quite a while, so I'm just going to be mixing the oils together. I'm going to be showing you the kind of oils. I'm going to be telling you the benefits of each oil on the skin. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so I'm going to start making my oils now. In here I have carrot oil, rosemary, sweet almond oil. Then in here I have a combination of different herbs. I have white willow bark, I have bedok root, I have goji berry, I have cloves, I have cinnamon, I have so many herbs. I have coriander, I have a whole lot of them. I have star anise, a whole lot of them, in here. Then in here I have calendula, I have goji berry, I have cinnamon, I have cloves, I have white willow bark, and so many. So in here I have a combination of like 7 apps, while in here I have a combination of like 10 to 12 apps. So I'm going to start making my oils now in no particular order. I'm going to be mixing the oils together in some certain quantity, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't go anywhere. I'll be needing my sieve to sieve out the herbs, so I'll be mixing. So you can see the herbs, so followed by my rosemary. Oh, let me take that. So these oils have been sitting for quite a while. So these oils have been sitting for quite some time. Like this rosemary has been sitting for like 3-4 months. So what I do is whenever I need it, I just go there, shake it well, use a little, and keep it back. The oil has been sitting for quite some time, and it's really infused, like super infused. So you should know that my glow oil is going to be fantastic, like really fantastic. So here is my rosemary. So the next one I'll be using is sweet almond oil, and this has been sitting for quite some time, like for so long, like 4 months or more. It has been sitting, so you have to shake it very well before you sieve out the oils in it. So that's my sweet almond oil. Fantastic. Like, you can just Google the benefits of all these herbs. You'll see that they are really, really superb. Like a combination of all these herbs on your skin, it's going to be like fantastic. You're going to repair your skin. It's going to treat every skin issue, skin problems. It's going to fight any skin problem, and it's going to glow your skin. I'm also going to be adding some whitening actives, so it's also going to have a lightening property. It's going to lighten up your skin, it's going to brighten up your skin, it's going to glow your skin. Like, this oil is like a 3D oil. It's going to be fantastic. So just stay tuned to the end. I'll be showing you the whitening actives I'll be adding to the oils. So here is my carrot oil. So we call this beta carotene. This has been sitting for quite some time, and if you want to know how to infuse these herbs, like to get the best of them, then you should get trained, because you don't just buy herbs and just infuse it anyhow. You might not get the best of it. Like, you need to get trained from a professional that knows all about infusion. Infusion is not just you infusing herbs. So you need to get trained, and if you would like to be trained by me, you can just send me a message on the number shown on the screen. Send me a WhatsApp message, then you can get trained. Yeah, this oil has calming properties because it has chamomile and lavender in it. It has healing properties. It has soothing properties. It has moisturizing and conditioning properties. It has lightening property. It has exfoliating property, because there are some fruits here that has AHA in them, and they are really, really fantastic. Infusing oil for like 6 months, 5 6 months, 4 5 6 months is not a joke. So now I just added my Osha Prapa oil. I have this oil. You can mix it with your cream, your scrub, and any other formulation. I made it by myself from the scratch. I call it Osha Prapa oil because it is fantastic in whitening up your skin. It's an active you should add to any of your your lotion, any of your formulation. So I also added my papaya oil. I made that a while ago. I made it myself too. And papaya and carrots, they have superb lightening property, like whitening properties. So I added my Usha Papa oil, and I also added my papaya oil. So next, I'll be adding my half cast oil. I'll be needing like 1 to 1.5% of the half cast oil. So that's the orange like oil that you're seeing in it. That's my half cast oil. You should also know that I used a very lightweight oil. Like, the oil that I used in infusion
It's very lightweight. Like, you can use this oil as your body moisturizer, like throughout the day. It doesn't, you won't sweat out, and it's really, really fantastic on the skin. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, you can use it any time of the day. It's really, really cool. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's conditioning, it's repairing, it's glowing, it's lightening, brightening, and so on. Fantastic. So you should know that if you get this oil, if you buy this oil from me, if you're not a DIY person, you are really buying a bulk. This oil will give at least 3 shades lighter than your skin, and it will glow your skin. Like, you are really buying the best.
I used my stick blender to mix it, and in here I have my oil soluble actives, so it's good to go. I'm just going to strain it with a cheesecloth to remove all the particles, then I'll bottle it. If you'd like to learn from me, you can message me on the number showing on my screen, the WhatsApp number showing on my screen. So send me WhatsApp message if you would like to learn from me. We do online training, basically online training for now, because we are rebranding, so we stopped physical training for some time now. So we're only doing online training for now. If you would like to train from me, so send me message via the number showing on the screen. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I make an upload. Share this video among your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.